Welcome to KBB, where tradition and innovation go hand in hand. The heart of our company, the development and engineering. This is where the ideas and designs are created that allow our turbochargers to be one of the best in the world. With passion, our engineers develop the knowledge to boost new standards worldwide. From the first sketch to the finishing touches, we are involved in every single step of the production process. As one of the world's leading manufacturers of turbochargers for the marine industry, KBB is a true global player. Our products are at home on the world's oceans and prove their reliability and strength every day in the toughest operating conditions. Quality is our promise. Perfection lies not only in the detail, but also in the control. Our employees monitor every step of production to guarantee that all manufactured components meet the highest precision. With a final test run, our turbochargers are tested under real-life conditions to ensure it will meet all challenges on the world's largest oceans. We enable the engines to boost your power every hour of operation to the maximum lifetime. In addition to highly technical processes, it's important that each component is assembled manually by our experts, which means that all individual elements undergo additional checks by our employees before releasing them into the world. Finally, the finished turbochargers are packed in our own shipping department to reach their destination as quickly as possible, no matter where you need them. We know service is key to keep your equipment in operation. KBB Turbochargers. We boost your power